Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2011 Nissan Murano and I will show you the fuse boxes locations. This video will apply to Nissan Muranos made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. These vehicles have two fuse boxes. One is under the front hood and the other one is in the passenger compartment just under the steering wheel. The passenger compartment fuse box will be located just behind this cover down here. So what you want to do, you want to pull this cover towards yourself. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram which can help you to locate each of the fuses, and the fuses are right here. Very easy to reach. And now the main fuse box, like I said, it's under the front hood. It's located right here under this cover. To remove this cover you will have two black tabs, one here on this side, one on the opposite side. So you just want to press onto this tab and lift up to unlock it, and now you will get access to all of the fuses and relays. And again, on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram. And that's pretty much it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.